Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's video, let us see about learning agents. So, in the previous videos I have discussed about the other types of AI agents like simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based agent and utility based agent. I will provide the link in the description. You can check them out as well. So now let us get into what is this learning agent. Let us see the block diagram of learning agent. So the environment is going to give information to the agent. Through the sensors, the percepts are received by the agent. Then these percepts are given to the critic. Who is a critic? A critic is something which will provide feedback to the agent. So now this critic will have a performance standard. It knows that this is the best level of output which can be delivered by something. So if that kind of output is not delivered, then it will provide a negative feedback. Suppose the output which is obtained is desirable, then it will provide a positive feedback. So based on this feedback, the learning element will update its knowledge. It will improve its knowledge and it will learn and it will make the changes such that the performance element will execute that particular changed action. So again, based on the performance element, knowledge is also built by the learning element. That is, the learning element will continuously update its knowledge and it will learn through past experience. So these changes are made based on the feedback and based on how the performance is. The learning element is also continuously updating its knowledge. And so finally, the problem generator is able to design the new set of actions for the new set of goals which are framed. So there are four main elements in this. That is, we have four components: the learning element, performance element, critic, and problem generator. So learning element is responsible for making improvements. That is, continuous learning happens in this learning agent through the learning element. And performance element is responsible for the actions which are done. So performance element is responsible for selecting the external actions. Whereas a critic gives the feedback on how the agent is going and determines how the performance element should be modified to do the task in a better way. And finally, the problem generator will suggest actions for new and informative experiences. That is, we will call it as experiential learning, and these learning goals will provide the input to the problem generator to generate new set of actions which will be suggested to the performance element. So you take ChatGPT for example. If you give it a prompt and ask it to generate an essay on any freedom fighter or any other topic, it will generate the content and give you. But if you provide the feedback that it is not satisfactory, immediately it will try to generate another response and give you a better response. So that is like a learning agent which is able to continuously update itself. It is learning from the feedback given by the critic and it is updating its performance. So a lot of research is going on learning agents because they are smart and they are able to continuously update their knowledge and they can learn through past experiences over the time. So I hope you clearly understood what a learning agent is. So these are the different types of agents which we have seen in the videos. That is simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based, utility based and learning agent. In the previous videos I have spoken about simple reflex, model based reflex, goal based and utility based AI agents. I have shared the links in the description. Please check them out. And learning agent is one which will enhance the performance over time by learning from experience. So I hope this is clear. If you like the video, do like it and share it with your friends and subscribe for more regular updates on AI. Thank you for watching.